Okay, we got some time to practice here. We got some time, so let's make it. Let's do something with React. TypeScript. I don't know how to automate this thing, but my SSH connections are gonna fail if I don't do that. Now that that was the nasty thing. Okay. So now that we got something, this is taking time. Okay, let's see. So there we have two ways to create the React application with TypeScript using npx or using byte, which is the better option for performance. And then we have npm install, Tailwind, post CSS out of prefixer, and we have to initialize Tailwind. How to pronounce this? Then we have to specify the things to inspect from Tailwind. Tailwind. Right, so then we add the Tailwind directives to the CSS. We have to import. Then we install additional dependencies for components. Lucid React for icons. Lucid React. Router DOM. Start the dev server. Now it's doing the thing with TypeScript here. It's creating the button, it's creating the submit. It's doing validations. Card component, model component, data table with TypeScript. So we got 5 examples. 6 tabs component with TypeScript. Everything is TypeScript. Toggle switch component with TypeScript. Kind of like these examples are much more interesting. So let's go. Drop down, etc. Okay, let's start. Let's go with this. So I just need this to be done. I don't know what's doing. It's a couple of minutes. I think it's downloading all the dependencies. But it's taken really a long time already. Okay, let's wait for it. I will step out for the tailwind thing. I will just wait for it. I will just rerun this button and form component. So I will create a button. Button will have properties, an interface, children, which is gonna be React node. The variants is loading, disable, on click type. Then we define the component. We pass the things, the properties, children, again, variant is loading, on click, disabled. So why don't do I need to pass them one by one? Once the function is defined, this time I will create my own function to process the class names for the CSS. And then I return the button. Okay, I did this yesterday, but this is taking a lot of time, which is not convenient. So I will just start creating my own stuff here, because I don't want to waste time. I will create things. Okay, we'll do this. Then I will say imports React from React. And I guess it's doing this already. And then I will define my interface. What button props? TypeScript. It's doing it. I will define this. I will just define children is gonna be a React React node. I will be adding more stuff later, so I will define here my function. The button is gonna be Reacts FC. So do I have here something. What is this thing? Button props. Reacts, button props. And here, we define everything I need. Is loading. Disable. Loading, disable, yeah, and I will define is loading with a default false. Okay, I have this auto completion that I don't really want, so let's do the lazy clear, clean, sync, update. Oops. Sync, update. Much better. Much better. Me want to work. Me need food. Me is tired. Okay. Wait. I'm missing something. Where is... already running, but how? Okay, now that I have this thing, I will return the button or what? I will actually return this, and I will have the button defined here. And the button is going to have something here. Children. Nope. doesn't need to use this one. Okay, I don't know why. So that's what we have right now. We just define, we print it out. Okay, now let's go to the application and let's go to source. Let's create a demo thing. Okay, we are initializing the project. Seems to be good. Okay, perfect, seems to be good. JSX implicitly has type any because no interface. No interface, because I have something here. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Button FC, button props. Never used. The turn. I'm the turning the button. Okay, I don't get this. It's too intrusive. I need to fix my code editor and it's already getting late. So let's go with it. So now let's go to create the form, submit form. Submit form, no interface needed. Which will return a button. And a button. And here we are gonna have is loading equals true, disable, false, false. We actually define that as a constant is loading, set is loading, Reactjs state false. Is that accurate? Is loading, set is loading, Reactjs state false. Yes, that's correct. And I'm actually defining both of them. Submit. So it's defined. Loading will be is loading. Disable will be false. False. Does not exist on type of React. So why should I know what React is? This is for this one, React. Oh, because I'm using the parentheses. And this is const. Okay, no issues. Vertical split, the app tsx. So import demo. Is that the way? Is this how I do things? Okay, I think that's the way. So what's wrong here? Oh, I see. So does this work? Seems to be good. No, it's not good. So how to export in TypeScript? Text. I don't think it's okay. I don't think. Ouch. Man. I got my component, but how? Default just export. This says export those provider. How to import it then? Then how is this defined? Export interface. My form from demo. Has no default import form from instead. Oh, is it? My form seems to be good. Okay, there is a hook problem. Submit form. Okay, it's doing it, it's doing the job. Now what? Let's see my form. And let's say here test. I don't think it's gonna work. It has no children. What about now? Yeah. Children. So I knew this was like this. I am a button. Yeah, that's right. Alright, I have not enough time, but I have an idea now. Need to keep practicing this thing. Didn't have enough time to do Python, but that's okay. Let's go relax and chill.